Grand rising, grand afternoon, grand evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to my channel. Normally, this is the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast, but we are charting Bitcoin right now, so let's get into it. So this is the weekly chart. The only thing I have on here is day one of 2026, which was at 88,000. As you can see, we have not recovered to day one. It's only been a drop, and we went all the way down to $60,001. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the all-time high up here, and we'll go ahead and chart this. I'm gonna keep this under 7 minutes, like I normally do the rest of the $1 Trillion tickers. So just keep that in mind. If you are a Bitcoin maxi, then this episode is for you. If you like the $1 Trillion tickers, I have filmed all the $1 Trillion tickers plus SPY and QQQ. Just go to my YouTube channel and go to the live column. They are there. All right, let's get into Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and chart this thing out. Look like we had a double bottom here on the weekly. Go ahead and roll that up. We could really go to 960. We can really go to 66. There we go. Yeah, because these numbers are so high, we can definitely round up a lot further than we normally do. Okay, there we go. And we can round this down to 600, 600. 93,600 is what it is. Okay. Do got a level here. As you can see, it came very close to that when it leveled out here. There we go. Just roll this up. 78,700. There we go. And then we got this right here. There we go. Let's just round that down to 800, 86,800. There we go. Then we could go on a daily chart after that. Look at this big rejection right here. There we go. Okay, so we can round this down. Let's go 81,400. 81,400. And then we got this right here. Where it last bounced. There we go. Oh, let's just call that 80,000 even. There we go. Do need to find some levels. Okay, rejecting hard right here. There we go. We just gonna round that up to 82,600. There we go. All right, and we can just round that down 83,600. There we go. Okay, now we back over here. You always gotta look left. There we go, 84,700. There we go. We like 86.3 or we like 85? Definitely 85. All right. Go ahead and roll that down. 85,400. There we go. Oh, let me put some levels underneath this weekly, just in case this thing pulls down, pulls back. There we go. Go ahead and roll that to 77,500. There we go. And then let me get one more. Just in case this thing drops. 75,800. There we go. All right, now we can go to the candlesticks. All right, so that's what I got for Bitcoin. Current price $80,800.92. For the downside support, I got 80,000, followed by 78,700, 77,500, 75,800. To the upside resistance, I got 81,400, 82,600. There is the high of the week at $82,814.23, and then 83,600, 84,700, 85,400, and a weekly level at 86,800. Let's check out the algo, see what we got. We are in a buy on the algo. The buy was way back here, April 7th. Okay, so the next target is TP3 at 84,510. Okay, let's go on a 4 hour, see if we can get a more recent signal here. The daily chart was in a buy. The weekly did give us a sell here on Thursday, May 7th. It just consolidated and then retraced. So it looks like this is going to end up flipping after it goes over this stop loss at 81,000. Okay, let's see if we got any smart money concept zones. Nope, nothing near. Not until you get under this weekly level. All right, so those are my levels for Bitcoin for next week. Next up, we got the Iran War 2026 watch list update. Thanks for tuning in. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.